Hello.
Hello.
How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Uh,
Good, good. Sorry, I'm just connecting my earbuds. They weren't
okay.
connected. Ah, that's better. I can hear you now.
So, what's your name?
My name is Natalie.
Natalie.
Yes, Natalie.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Natalie.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
I am Sultan.
Sultan. Nice to meet you, Sultan.
Nice to meet you.
And where are
So,
you from?
I'm from Pakistan, but I live in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay, so you're from Pakistan but living in Libya.
Living in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, sorry, Saudi Arabia. Aha. Okay. Oh, I imagine it's very hot
Yeah, it is. It's
there.
extremely
Extremely hot. Yes, yes, definitely. And so what do you do in Saudi Arabia?
here. I teach English right now at a school.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
So you're an English teacher, like me, kind of.
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
Mhm. So, how long have you been teaching English?
Well, I taught English for a little in Vietnam many years ago.
Mhm.
Cambly, I've been doing Cambly now for about 2 or 3 months.
I see. Mm.
But now I've cut my hours down because I had to get another job in England.
Great. And it's also a teaching job?
No, it's working in a hotel.
I see. So why did you quit teaching?
Well, to be honest, the money on Cambly is not great for an English wage, if I'm honest. So
Okay.
yeah, but I'm starting university in September as well. So Cambly is good because it's flexible. I can work that around university.
Okay. Because some of the tutors told me uh, that it's almost the same, like as far as the salary or the pay is concerned, it's equal to the full-time job.
Not in England, no. In England, it's below minimum wage,
Oh, I see.
and
Because of the
also,
cost of living in England.
sorry, yes, yes,
Mhm. Okay.
and also, as if you have regular students that are all booked in, then
Mm-hmm.
is okay. But if you don't have all reservations, you're not guaranteed say if I'm on for 3 hours, but
Mm-hmm.
if I don't have 3 hour reservations, maybe I only get 1 hour or 2 hours. It's not
Oh,
guaranteed.
I see. So have you ever tried working with Chinese companies or Japanese companies?
No, the reason is because, well, the Cambly is my first. I didn't know about these types of jobs until I found
Mhm.
Cambly because they're not advertised in England. I came
Mhm.
across it on YouTube.
I
So
see.
I think with the Chinese and the Japanese ones, they're more formal. You have to plan, and even though the pay is higher,
Yes.
I like the informal side of Cambly.
Yeah. Actually, most of the students prefer having a casual conversation.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes, and that's what I prefer about it.
I just wanted to ask you that how many hours do you spend on Cambly?
Well, it depends really. It changes. But this week I'm in Croatia. I'm not in England. So today is the
Where are
first.
you?
I'm in Croatia. Let me write it for you.
Croatia.
Croatia.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you call it something different. I'm in Eastern Europe, kind of, near Italy, not far from Italy.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yeah. So
Croatia is the name of the country.
yes, Croatia is the name of the country. Yeah.
Mhm.
It's
Okay.
very beautiful place. So I've just had probably nearly 1 week off, but I thought I'll do a little bit of teaching while I'm here.
Okay. So it seems that you like traveling.
Yes, I love traveling. Love traveling, yes. I'm making up for lost time because of coronavirus, 1 year and a half, no travel.
Okay. Now, in England, you can travel.
Yes, but it's expensive. We have to get tests and yes, it's actually I was refused on my flight here because I didn't have my test. Croatia changed the rules overnight and I didn't know. I thought I could get my test on arrival. I get to the airport, they say, "Have you got your test?" I said, "No, I'm getting it in Croatia." They said, "No." So then I had to pay more money for test. Then I had to
Oh.
buy new tickets, but I couldn't get a direct flight to Croatia. So I had to stay overnight in France at the airport. So yeah, that was fun.
So tickets are more expensive now?
No, well, the tickets are quite cheap actually. We get very cheap flights from England,
Okay.
but it's the extra cost on top, I had to pay £40 for a test and about £130 for new flights.
Okay, so
England to France and France to Croatia.
I understand. So, do you have to go for quarantine as
No,
well?
no,
No?
luckily no, just because I had to do the test, so then no quarantine.
Mhm. So, what is the situation in England now regarding coronavirus?
Well, last I heard, so I think the rates are starting to go down again.
And what do you think? What's the reason behind it? Like they have increased giving vaccination or something?
I think the vaccinations are working, but not everyone will take the vaccination. There's lots of people refusing to have the vaccine. So that's part of the problem. And yeah, there's people in England, they're not really, there's lots of people that are not following the rules now. No
Probably
masks.
they have got bored with it.
Yes, exactly. And there's lots of people who don't believe it, so they're just carrying on. So I think there's lots of reasons added together.
Okay. And what about you? Have you got the vaccination?
Yes. I had my first dose in March and my second in June. So I'm fully
Great.
vaccinated.
Okay, that's good. So it
Yeah.
means that you are not skeptical about it.
No. The way I see it is, we have vaccines for other things as well. Polio vaccine. All of those different. We would still have so many diseases if it wasn't for vaccines. So, and we had coronavirus started. All of the countries, all of the best minds in the countries got to work straight away on the vaccines.
Yeah.
So for me, that makes sense that they work. And also, like I say, because the rates did start going down in the UK once more people were getting vaccinated. So
Nice. That's
yeah.
cool. I'm glad to hear that.